Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to export your notes to a PDF file using the Notes application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Notes application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Notes application. Open that up. And now we should have a couple of notes on screen that were created from the previous tutorial. So let's just click on one that we have. All what we can do is create a note. And let's just say Computer Science Videos. Highlight, Command A, Command C to copy. Paste this a couple of times. Highlight again, copy. Next line, Command V to paste. And now what we will do is go to File, Export as PDF. And this will allow us to save this as a PDF file to, let's just choose a destination. I'll just pick the desktop, save, and this will now be exported as a PDF file. So let's quit Notes for the moment. Now let's go to the desktop, right click, open the file itself, and now we have exported the note as a PDF file, so we can then start re-editing or change this file or print the file or do whatever we wish to with this file. So we can now quit preview. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.